Hello my loves, welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. And today guys, we're gonna be making this mini mandazi, and of course we have a taste of lemon, as you can see guys. So stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making my mini mandazi. First thing first guys, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients together. So tutaanza na all purpose, 2 cups of all purpose wheat flour, and then tutaongeza 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then we are going to add a tablespoon of lemon zest, ndio hiyo guys. And after that tutachanganya our dry ingredients mpaka zikuwe fully combined, as you can see step by step. So guys, after there we are going to add our margarine, which it is optional, but kama unataka your mandazi ikue soft and fluffy, you must use the margarine. In this case tutaongeza 1 tablespoon, and then we're going to use our clean hand to combine well with the rest of ingredients guys, as you can see. And kindly go subscribe, watch and share my YouTube channel guys, and thank you so much for the support. Honestly, I don't take it for granted. So after around 5 minutes of mixing, that's when we will go in with our milk. Na pia hiyo maziwa ni optional guys, but kama utatumia itasaidia your mandazi ikuwe soft in texture, fluffiness, and add moist. So if you know the benefits, unaweza tumia. Yeah, so I used a half glass of it, sikutumia mingi. As you can see, naongeza kidogo kidogo mpaka itoshe. And guys, hapa ndio kibarua iko. You are supposed to knead your dough until it is smooth, soft and elastic. So guys, I'm going to knead for around 10 to 20 minutes ya ndio ikue sawa. And guys, again, go tell me what you think in the comment section. Go tell me what you want me to cook in the next video. And thank you so much once again for supporting your girl. Na pia usisahau kuturn on your notification bell on, ndio nikipost video inakuletea guys. And it has been 10 minutes. You can see my dough is coming through.